Hello, folks. It's A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And today we have the 2021 Ford Bronco base model 2-door rolling off the assembly line. Now, base is the entry-level specification for the Bronco. And thanks to the Bronco Nation and Auto Evolution, we now know how the most affordable trim level looks in real life. Snapped together on the assembly line, this pre-production model comes with 16-inch steelies wrapped in 255/70 all-season tires. Now, the Essential Bronco starts at $28,500, excluding destination charge, making the midsize Bronco utility vehicle $205 more expensive than the Jeep Wrangler Sport. Part-time four-wheel drive with selectable engagements, 5 GOLT driving modes, an independent front axle, and a solid rear axle from Dana, as well as unpainted plastic bumpers, are included in the price tag. And the unpainted has a more of a holistic, retrolistic feel to it. Now, customers who want locking differentials, bead lock capable wheels, 35-inch tires, and more have to spend extra on the Sasquatch package, which has been confirmed with a 7-speed manual transmission, as well as a 3-pedal transmission. And it's the one to get if you're serious about hitting the trails, thanks to a crawler gear that enables the ridiculous ratio of 94.75 to 1. Ripe for customization and personalization by a full line of factory-backed accessories. The Bronco base model is going to rely on the 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder turbo as standard, the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 as an option. The later engine is exclusively offered with the 10-speed automatic of the Ranger pickup truck, and it cranks 310 horsepower plus 400 pound-feet of torque. Now, the lesser power plant isn't too shabby either. This is getting back to the plant, which we'll get back into this a little bit more. But the Bronco is arguably heavier than the V6 equipped Jeep Wrangler. We don't know exactly the figures, but chances are the 2-door version is 200 pounds heavier. Given these circumstances, the 2.3-liter turbocharged engine may feel underwhelming in certain driving scenarios, such as highway and overtaking others on the highway. Not long now, the Ford Motor Company will respond to the 4xe plug-in hybrid from Jeep with a PHEV option for the Bronco. We don't know if this powertrain will be offered in a Warthog or whatever the performance-oriented variant will be called, and we don't know the total output either. Now, according to hearsay, 450 horsepower should be in the pipeline. As for the possibility of a V8, you can forget it. The CO2 implications and federal requirements are to blame. But looking to the bigger picture, the Bronco PHEV makes more sense than dropping a Coyote in the engine bay. So, let's take a look at this baby being made at the assembly line. Brought to you by Bronco Nation. You guys say automotive reviews. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. And thanks for subscribing. And remember, if no one told you today, I'm telling you that you're fabulous. Hey, automotive reviews.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.